Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
So malapit na kami mga kachupapi, 1 minute na lang, nandito na kami. 1 minuto na lang mga kachupapi, nandito na kami sa bilihan ng mga washing dryer. So gusto makita ng asawa ko yung second hand, refurbished na mga washing and dryer kasi sa tingin niya is
Yeah, usually they sell stuff for like half the price.
yeah.
So I don't want like the newer models. I'm looking for older models. So that's where we'll find it. All the newer ones, they all have bad reviews. So I just don't want to do it.
Yay! We're here.
We are here.
Vintage market.
Okay. So
Is it vintage market?
It's called Yours Truly. So it's here somewhere. Uniquely yours, right here. This is it right here.
Antiques?
Yeah, home furnishing. I can't park. Oh, customer parking. Oh, yeah, let's park here. Uniquely yours. That's what it is.
Dito na kami mga kachupapi.
Because they have another appliance store there too.
So let's see. So park muna kami dyan. Let's see what's inside. Ay, maybe this is antique eh. There's no washing here.
Oh, let's look.
I think that's the one I saw eh. Cause I see ano eh. I see refurbished eh. Ayun, ang ganda ah. No, I told you. It's in the other way. The other side. Hala, ang cute naman na ito.
Hi. Anything I can help you find? Okay. Let me know if you have any questions.
Hala, ang ganda naman ng lamp. Yeah. Eh, mga ano to eh, mga antiques to eh. Hala. Ang ganda naman nun. Tingnan nyo mga kachupapi oh. Parang ito yung nakita ko sa dream ko ah. $50. Ayan siya kachupapi. Ang ganda. Diba? Parang mga building. Saan yung asawa ko dahil? Nawala na siya dahil. Pero tingin pa rin tayo dito. Mga luma to eh. Saan yung asawa ko? Sinasawa ko dahil. Wala dahil hindi ko na makita yung asawa ko. Nawawala na siya dahil. Wala, ang ganda naman ang painting na yun. Kita nyo mga kachupapi, ang ganda. Magkano yan? Wala, ang ganda naman. Gusto ko yung ganito. Wala, parang gusto kong bilhin. Baby, I like this one. I like this one.
Painting?
Hmm.
What is it?
I don't know how much. 125.
125.
Hello?
You don't have to.
Hello, I like it, B. It's like real.
Yeah, this is real painting.
Hello, B, I wanna buy. Can I put it on the living room?
Where are you gonna put it?
The living room.
I know, but where? Not
Please,
behind
no.
the TV.
No, not in the behind the TV.
You really want to get that?
Is it beautiful?
It's okay. You probably
It's kind of
pay-
like in the Starbucks. Remember
you
the
could
one that we
probably- You
see?
could probably pay a lower price by getting it printed. This is probably real. This is not printed. That's why it's more expensive.
Yeah. Hello, I
And
like
this
the
is back in
buy.
'76. I think that's what it says there. So it's actually very old.
Oh.
I don't know if it's based on
Maybe
something
they say,
real.
ask them if they are sale. Dali.
I mean, of course it's on sale. For sale.
I
Everything's
mean
for
sale, I mean they low the price.
No, I don't think so. It's an antique store.
May flowers din, oh. Totoo kaya to? Ay, hindi. Kala mo totoo, no? Baby, I want to.
You sure? If you want, you can use your money. You can buy it. I don't think you should.
Okay. But I'm gonna ask how much because maybe it's ano, they put lower price. If it's ano, it's 50% off or something like that.
Well, probably not 50% off, but we can always ask.
Yeah.
You might get,
Ito, meron pa sila dito painting hobby. I like this one.
you like that one?
$74.
Well, if you buy two, they might give you a discount.
No. I like
You
better
want-
than
you
one
want that one?
because it's green. Di ba mga kachupapi maganda? Ito rin, oh, maganda, oh. See, oh. Ay, this one is not painting.
This one's not. Well, maybe it is, but it's not like they didn't paint it. They just put paint on there.
Yeah.
Ta-da! You like that one or no? Just that one?
Ask them if it's, ano, it's like $50. I can buy. But if it's 100, it is be 1976 pa, oh. Yung mga kachupapi.
1976.
125
You could try
oh.
$100.
Ang ganda.
How heavy is it? It's not too heavy.
Wala, ang ganda, B. Do you like it?
Doesn't matter to me.
But is it beautiful, isn't it?
If you like it doesn't matter to me. If you
But
like
isn't it beautiful?
It's okay to me.
Hmm.
But if you like it, then you like it.
What's that?
This is an old cash register. Old cash register. So way back in the day,
Oh, expensive.
$4.95. I mean, at most it's
Old
just
what? Old.
a cash register.
Oh.
And this is for like very old. It's not useful for anything, but just for show now.
Paid out charge icon. That's cool.
So I feel I can ask them.
Yeah, ask them if it's 50%. But if it's not, then I'm not gonna buy. Do you find there anything in there? I'll check there. Hmm? Ganda rin to, oh. Lagay ng tissue, $2. Ang ganda, ang cute. May mga kawali rin sila rito. Wala dito mo kasi ako dinala. Ayan tuloy. You put me here. That's why I like it na. Wala, ang ganda. Tingnan mo kachupapi mo. Mga pang-display to sa bahay eh.
You like that one, huh? Yeah, as soon as you saw it, you touch it.
Ano, what is this? Ay, yung ego, B.
That's
That's
cute.
cool. Diba? Ganda. Mga pang-design dito.
Easter.
I know what you're talking about. What you're telling about. The refurbished.
Hmm.
It's in the other way. I saw it.
We'll go to the Appleton one after this.
No, I saw there. You didn't want to see there?
What?
The refurbished.
Yeah, I already saw they have some refrigerator,
Where?
stove, and washer, but it's not good.
How do you know?
Because I just saw it. It's down over there.
Oh, it's there. Let me see.
You want to see? I just came from there. So, anyway,
Oh,
yeah, it's in here.
yeah. Scary. Oh, this one. This is the only one they have.
Yeah, this is all they have.
Ayan o, yung mga ano.
They did have some Speed Queen, but I think they sold it already because I don't see any here. These are just your typical ones.
Oh, okay. Ganda rin tong table na to, no?
Go to the Appleton one. I'm pretty sure they got some selections over there too.
Okay.
You still want to ask about the painting?
Mm.
Yes. Let's go.
Eh, ganda rin nito, oh. $84.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom first.
Okay.
It's a
cheese.
They don't even make it anymore.
Look up.
That's an old iron. That's what they used back in the
Yeah,
day.
they put charcoal in there.
Mhm. It's heavy too.
Laki, oh.
These days it's mostly for decoration. It's not very useful.
Yeah. Titingin ako mga kachapapis kasi alam niyo ano to?
Yeah, that's cute.
Jam? Gem? 24,000.
What's it saying?
Isn't it cool?
Jam. Oh, two-tone jug. $24. This is for jam.
What's jam?
It's kind of like the jelly stuff that they put on the bread, but I don't see how
Oh.
you do that. I guess back then maybe it's more like liquid and they just pour it.
Mm.
It's
How
mostly-
long is that?
It's mostly just for decoration nowadays.
Usually they have date here eh.
Sometimes they do. But if they don't have it, it's probably not that old. I don't know.
Yeah. Ito oh, mga kachapapis oh, maganda rin
Or if
to.
they know the date, they'll probably give it.
Baby, what is this? Jam too?
That's inspired for like beer.
No, it's jam I saw eh. You know. Jam.
West Tea, Germany beer, beer stain. That's for beer.
Oh, it's beer.
Yeah, they put beer in it. And I think this is how they did it
It's
back in the
beautiful.
day. It's for beer. They use ceramic and glass to preserve the taste. These are all beer bottle, beer cup.
It's cute. Now it's for only for display, no?
For the most part, yes. Yeah, you could probably still use it, but
$13?
People don't buy
$14?
It's $14.
$13.
It's $13.
That's cute. But I only want the painting. Mga antique kasi nandito mga kachupapi. Ito rin ube oh. It's beautiful. How much is this?
Oh, it's a food cart for service, like
200?
in a hotel.
Damn,
$200.
200. Mahal.
It's probably been restored.
Yeah.
It's a food cart.
Maybe look.
A teapot?
Teapot?
Could be. I don't know.
I think for
Apple
cigarette.
Dutch pipe. Oh, it's not teapot. It's a
For
pipe.
cigarette.
Yeah, it's for smoking tobacco.
Oh. I thought it was tea.
Yeah, it looks like it, but it's not. Oh,
It's
but it's not
cute.
even real. It's just fake.
It's fake?
Yeah, look, there's nothing here and you can't open this. But it's not real. Yeah, it's just not even real. It's just for display. If it was real, it would have a hole here and you can open this, you put the tobacco in there.
Mm.
It's a piggy bank right here.
Ang cute mo. Baka mamaya may makita ko ditong ano. Di ba, what is this for? No.
Well, I am not sure.
Strainer! Ayan oh.
Some kind of a strainer. But what is that for?
For this one.
Yeah, what are you supposed to do with it?
For doing this.
For a strainer? I don't even think it's necessary.
Look at that oh. Tawan oh. Japanese. Kita niyo mga kachupapi. Tingnan nga. Ganda talaga niya, Day. Na ano ko, na-amaze ako. No. Kaya gusto ko siya bilhin. Kaya pero okay lang kahit hindi siya magbigay sa akin ng 50%, hindi ko na bibilhin. Kasi maganda lang naman ako. Alam, yun ito mga kachawapi. Tagal naman niya, B.
It's got push buttons.
That's cool.
The old one is a dial. It's made to look like it, but it's not.
Ang ganda naman na ito.
This is modern. Just look at this. See?
Is it real?
It's real, but it's more modern. It's just modern.
Ganda.
You get it? It's for looks only. This is not even real metal. This is plastic.
They have like this too.
Okay, let's go. You ready?
So, wala yan. Okay.
Can I have them at half price? Any price.
What do you think, Pete? For $100?
Huh?
They can do it for $100.
Oh, okay.
You still want it?
Thank you.
Fine. Thank you for checking.
Okay, you're welcome.
That's the one they have, oh, I know.
What, Wonderland Vintage Market?
Yeah, because they have refurbished too.
Yeah, we can go look over there.
So, inaano ko sa kanila, tinatanong ko sa kanila kanina kung pwede bang 50% off yung painting. Oh,
I
yo.
think $60, $70 will be a fair price.
Yeah.
$100 is a little bit expensive.
Expensive.
Maybe $125, $600.
Yeah.
I mean, it's an old painting, but it's not that old. If it was like made like in the 1800s, yeah, I could see it. 1976 is still old, but not bad. That's like 48 years old. So about
48
50,
years old.
yeah, so about 50 years old.
Yeah.
So not that old.
So tingin tayo dito sa Wonderland. Maybe they have here.
You know,
Wonderland. Yeah.
they're competing. They have their competitors. One there, one here. That one's pretty big, but they have a lot of like house decorated stuff.
Ah, this one is... Ah, okay. Look at this. Oh, Chupapi.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over here. You can look. You can look if you want.
Hey, what if we're gone?
We can find each other. If you want to stick with me, you can. But I'm just gonna...
Meron din pala dito eh. Ayun yung strawberry. Baka mayroon may painting din dito. Maybe they have painting here too. Malaki rin pala to eh, oh. Mga pang display. Ah, they have painting. Ito may mga painting sila, oh. We're near na, mga kachupapi. Tingin tayo sa budget appliances.
There it is.
Hello? Are they open?
They're
Oh,
open
I
till
see.
2 o'clock.
I see the ano.
Hmm?
Caucasian.
Caution, door is heavy. Okay, we're here.
Okay. Baby, can I buy water first?
Yes, we'll check in there. They probably have it in there. If not,
Ano gas?
well, you know what? Let's go to the gas station. We'll get your water real quick.
Okay. So, bili lang kaming water kasi yun na yung aking lalamunan.
I can't hear you.
I said we're gonna buy water first and then we're gonna go back there. Bili muna kami ng tubig. Ma! Hindi pa rin tuloy yung snow, oh. I like it when it's hot like this.
Oh, it's actually not that bad today. It's a little warm, but not too hot.
Not too hot. Yeah.
It's only gonna get hotter and hotter. Yeah, soon you'll be sweating.
Just like the water.
Go ahead, go grab whatever.
Bili lang tayong tubig later. Ito, I like Smart.
Is it smart water?
Same. So I'm gonna get this one.
Just want the cap?
Yeah.
Anything else?
Nah. Because you're gonna buy me ano eh, no? Starbucks later. May ice cream din sila, oh.
That's it today? Just keep the change, thank you.
Okay na. Namiss ko tuloy yung Pinas kasi mahigit 6 months din kaming malamig ang weather. Wala naman akong dumidete sa Chupon. Baby! It's kinda like a baby water.
You like it? And I'm playing your theme song too.
Ala! Okay. Akala ko binago yung... Akala ko sinarado yung... Yeah! Old washer, mga chapapi.
This is right.
Mm.
Hello.
Let's see if they... Ayan o, base Speed Queen o. Hello.
This is sold already. Though.
How are you today?
Good.
Good. Glad to hear it. What brings you guys in today?
Just looking for a pair of washer and dryer.
All right. Dryers I have plenty of. Wash machines I'm getting a little bit picked over on. I do have a couple to show you to at least give you an idea of what we do have currently available and what we typically do carry. Couple questions though. Does the dryer need to be electric or gas? Okay, which is good because that's the majority of what I have is going to be electric. And then on the washer, do you have any preference on anything like top load, front load, brand preference?
Preferably
Tingnan
top
natin.
load on the older model.
Tignan natin tong ref. Mukhang maganda to. Gusto ko to $595. Kung sakaling pipalitan namin yung ref namin, no? Ng mas malaki. Maganda. Gusto ko na ito. Malaki. Kasi yung amin, parang ganun yata yung amin. 350. Eh, yung mga, meron rin pala sila mga ganito eh.
Expensive. Unfortunately, the only downfall is that it's just him. So he's constantly backed up. So the owner's younger son is actually kind of getting into repairs, which is nice because he's got a whole handful of stuff back there, including about 5 washers that are slowly, being looked at. We're determining what they need to be fixed. Whether it just needs something as simple as a new seal or a pump, or something like an entire rebuild. If we can make the cost work.
Ala, ang cute naman ng color pink. Tingnan niyo mga kachupapi oh, yung lumang fridge. Tsaka yung lumang washing oh.
So here's one speed thing
Ang cute.
They're not a matching set. So I did sell the matching dryer for this, and then of course this is similar to that one. But so if you're looking for speed cleans, of course they are different, look, but of course they're not horribly mismatched. The washer, I believe, is a 2012 or 2013 model, so a couple years older.
Ito rin oh, lumang lutuan.
How long they typically last and how
Ito,
well
pero
they're
tingnan
built.
ko, ang gusto ko makita.
Just kind of
Ala.
old school, no good lock
Ala.
on there, just a very
Ito
standard
pala yung
type washer.
lumang
You have to
ano,
look it up to be sure, but I know it's approximately that.
lumang freezer, mga kachupapi. Ang cute.
So, it's only, 2.
Kaya lang
maybe
ano,
3
tingnan
years
mo,
old.
dirty ano.
And of course,
Hindi na
this is a brand new
nilinis.
that's, double the
We're
price.
looking for something older because just from a little bit of research I've done, like a lot of the newer ones now, like their quality just isn't up to like how they used to be built.
Right.
And I just
Yeah, that
heard
goes
some
for pretty much
horror
everything
stories.
these
I
days,
just heard
so.
some horror stories about the newer ones where they break after like just 1 or 2 years.
Right.
And they got the older ones that they just keep going. So
Right.
I don't wanna
Well,
have to keep buying.
that's the thing about certain, speed clean is usually accepted. I'm not saying that speed cleans will never break down, but they generally tend to be a little bit longer lasting because of how well they're built. Again, the
Yeah,
price
sure.
cuts that because brand new they're double this price. But for some people who still more than want to spend, or just I'd rather still
Cute naman na ito.
go more basic. So and of course as far as dryers go, I do have a lot more of those in stock. And obviously have some of the the nicer modern type ones too. But if someone says, hey, I want something just basic with a knob, a dial, something.
So, ayan yung kanilang
When they work, they're good. But when they don't work, then
Right, and it's not that those aren't fixable. I mean, if a control board, goes out on one of these types of dryers or a washer, again, it's not that they're not fixable. It's just that the cost to do so. Replacing a control board is an easy enough job
Maganda
for
rin
people
to.
with basic hand tools and access to YouTube. However, it's the cost of the actual part is what makes people decide not to fix it, because now replacing a timer on one of these things, a new timer can be $100, $250. And again, it's a handful of screws, couple, screws in the backside, some wires you unplug, in 15, 20, 30 minutes tops. Again, one of those, simple to replace, but a new control board can run anywhere from $150 to $300. So a lot of times it's double the cost to replace it. And a lot of people are like, well, at that point, I'd rather spend a few extra dollars and just replace the entire thing. And actually, so I'll show you the Whirlpool I have right in. I actually took in this Whirlpool on trade for a set of Speed Queens the other day. This is for, and so I just put in a load of laundry, full load of laundry, doing permanent press. Just a very basic washer, again, you know, turn dials, couple knobs, average capacity, just a standard basic, no frills, no bells, whistles type deal. These are the types of machines that I sell a ton of. In fact, actually, I sold an old Kenmore yesterday afternoon. Don't know how old it is exactly, but based on the overall look of it, we're probably talking 35 years old. But again, it's those old direct drive. But those are the old direct drive ones, like this one, and then that Kenmore. They made the direct drive ones from, I want to say, 1984 to 1985, up to about 2010. So about 25 years, they made their washers. So that includes Whirlpool, Roper, Estate, Kenmore, KitchenAid, and then from about 2006, they made so 6 or 7 different brands that were all really essentially the same. All of the Whirlpools and Roper. And we're going to make
So, yan. So, usap muna sila doon, mga kachupapi. Ako, ikot-ikot muna ako dito. Tignan mo na yung price niya, mga kachupapi. So, yung price niya, $850, pero ang benta doon sa kanila is $1,600. Tama ba? Tama, oo. Tapos, binibenta nila ng $850. And, ayan siya. Malaki naman siya dahil. Pero okay siya, ah. Gusto ko yung mga old ano rin. Kasi, pagka new, parang ang bilis masira. Ito, parang maganda rin to, mga kachupapi. Ayaw matanggol doy. Ayun. Ayun po. Ang dami niyang binibentang mga ano. Ang dami niyang binibenta. So, gawin mga kachupapi. Siguro ganito lang gagawin namin pagkasakaling gusto namin ng gamit. Hindi kami bibili ng brand new kasi mahal. Second hand lang. Yung gawa lang. Diba? Kasi actually mga gamit sa Amerika, maano siya matibay. Pag iayusin mo lang. Diba? Hindi siya nasisira. Depende na lang kung talagang sisirain mo. Diba? So, sana makakakita kami ng ano rito, washing ng okay.
It just goes through a tube like that, and then there it is. But for us, we'll have to connect it to that little
This is the one that you like?
No, he's just saying this is one of the ones that they traded in. He was gonna test it, clean it, and fix it up before they sell it. This is showing it to me.
But this is the one you like?
No, he said they don't have any more people. You see anything you like?
They don't have Speed Queen?
I mean, they have some over here, but it's sold.
Of course, even though she said that it works just fine, I'm currently running it through a cycle with laundry in there just to verify that everything is
These
going
are sold already, so
It's
people.
in the second rinse and just sort of do the final spinning. So far, so good, it's fine. I might run through an additional cycle just to
These are all digital.
it's a Whirlpool, it's an older model.
This one.
But these older models are.
This is a new one. This is 2023, so we don't want this. Because they show these classic knobs, but it's actually all digital on the inside. So it's not good. See, this one's also digital. That means they use the circuit boards, and those circuit boards are expensive to replace when they don't work. See, this one is sold already. That's okay. And the one like this, these are the good ones.
I think definitely just on the price, $20.
These are also good.
340, 330.
I saw them posted, but
Everything's so
I prefer the old one because when my dad used to have a set, like they work really well. I remember because that's what we use.
So,
Keep this so you can check back in if they have something good. Well, it's unfortunate they didn't have the one that I was looking for. It's already sold, so
Is that the one? Speed Queen?
yeah, that's the one I was looking at, but it's sold already, so it's okay. I saw he put the sticker on it. That means somebody paid for it already. They're just waiting to pick it up. They sold it already. Give me a paper towel. I'm gonna clean my glasses.
Baby, when you saw us sold, then why
You know what?
stay
It's okay.
1 hour there?
Well, he was
Wala
talking
na
about
na-
he was talking about the other one. So
I feel sleepy na eh.
sorry. He keeps talking. I keep trying to tell him that we're going now. He keeps talking.
So, anong gagawin natin, B? What we're gonna do?
Well, we're going home now. I'm gonna go home. I'm done. Now I'm gonna try to fix that bumper when we get home.
So, pauwi na kami mga kachupapi. Nantok tuloy ako. Siguro sa init yun, no? Mga kachupapi, sa init ng tanghaling tapat. Nantok tuloy ako sa kwento niya. Day, ang dami niyang daldal.
Okay. The Green Bay one wasn't what I thought it was.
Alam mo, 1 hour?
Yes, it's an hour from here.
Malayo naman, B.
That from Green Bay to here is 30 minutes. From here back home is 1 hour. So let's see here.
Malayo. Ayoko na bumalik dito.
Where are we?
I don't wanna go back here. So, pauwi na kami mga kachupapi. Hindi kami nakakita ng washing.
Oh, that doesn't tell me which side I'm supposed to be on.
So, let's go home mga kachupapi.